For demonstration, here we have 15 stitches on my needle, 12 stitches, multiple of pattern. Here we make a pattern of 12 stitches plus 1 exercise 13 and plus 2 end stitches 15. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side slip edge. Yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 1. Yarn in back, knit 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knit together, knit 1, yarn over to front. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 8, knit together, knit 1, yarn over. This is 12 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 2 stitches. Purl 1, knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. In this row purl these all stitches. Second row and every wrong side rows we make same. Purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Third row right side slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 1, yarn in back, knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 7, knit together, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 2 stitches. Purl 1 and knit edge from right side. Third row is completed. Now fourth row wrong side. Purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Now this is fifth row right side slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 1, yarn in back, knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knit together, knit 1, yarn over to back, knit 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 6, knit together, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 2. Purl 1 and knit edge from right side. Fifth row is completed. Now sixth row wrong side. Again purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. 7 row right side slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 1, yarn in back, knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit together, knit 1, yarn over to front. Purl 1, yarn in back, knit 2. 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 5, knit together, knit 1, yarn over, purl 1, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 2 stitches. Purl 1 and attach from right side. 7 row is complete. Now 8 row wrong side. Pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. 9th row right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Pull 1, yarn in back, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit together, knit 1, yarn over to front, pull 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Pull 1, knit 4, knit together, knit 1, yarn over, pull 2, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Here we have a last 2 stitches. Pull 1 and attach from right side. 9th row is complete. 10th row wrong side. Pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Row 11 right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Pull 1, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit together, knit 1, yarn over to front, pull 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Pull 1, knit 3, knit together, knit 1, yarn over, pull 3, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 2. Pull 1 and attach from right side. Row 11 is completed. Now row 12 wrong side. Pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Row 13 right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Pull 1, yarn in back, knit 2, 1, 2, knit together, knit 1, yarn over to front, pull 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Pull 1, knit 2, knit together, knit 1, yarn over, pull 4, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 2. Pull 1 and attach from right side. Row 13 is completed. Now row 14 wrong side. Pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Row 15 right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Pull 1, knit 1, knit together, knit 1, yarn over to front, pull 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2, 1, 2. That's a repeat from here to here. Pole 1, knit 1, knit together, knit 1, yarn over, pole 5, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Here we have last 2, pole 1 and attach from right side. Row 15 is completed. Now row 16 wrong side, pole these all stitches. Pole edge from wrong side. Row 17 right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Pole 1, knit together, knit 1, yarn over to front, pole 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Pole 1, knit together, knit 1, yarn over, pole 6, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 2, pole 1 and attach from right side. Row 17 is completed. Now row 18 wrong side, pole these all stitches. Pole edge from wrong side. Row 18 is completed and our pattern is also completed. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 18 rows, and after repetition of 18 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, curl top, baby sweater. So friend, if you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.